Good evening, Wendy. So much I wish I could talk about this because a lot was brought up, but one of the things that came up more than once today is the issue of a divided Florida, with the candidates running for governor each promising to bring people together. At the annual Florida Society of News Editors, candidates running for governor answered reporters' questions in a town hall meeting-style forum. The state's chief financial officer and Democrat, Alex Sink, says she's pushed for authorities in the oil spill to take care of Florida's financial losses, and she promises to work with Republicans, too.
People all over this country and in this state are angry about partisanship and about a lack of problem solving. That's going to be the heartthrob of my service as your governor.
Son of a former governor, independent Lawton Bud Childs III, talked about the budget and what he thinks is wrong.
My philosophy is to make government smaller in Tallahassee, bigger in the communities. I'm not looking to increase the scope and the capability of the Florida legislature. I'm looking to increase the scope and the capability of local people that are coming together to solve problems in local communities.
The moderator thought Attorney General Bill McCollum didn't show up until minutes later. He appeared, saying he's an experienced Republican who knows what Floridians want.
I'll tell you what I'm not going to do. We're not going to raise taxes. We're not going to raise fees. We're going to tighten the belt. And yes, I'm going to do everything I can to protect education. I think it's very important in our state that we not get off track on the basic things that are necessary to grow jobs in our state.
McCollum went on to make a few attacks on Rick Scott, who didn't attend. Also at tonight's event are the men running for U.S. Senate. That's Kendrick Meek, Governor Charlie Crist, Marco Rubio, and Jeff Green. Live in the newsroom, Elizabeth Din, ABC Action News.